If you are over 60, balance is more than a fitness concern. It is a serious part of daily life. One misstep can lead to a fall, and one fall can change your future. That is why many of you requested this video. After watching our last episode, you learned about the hidden balance systems within your body and how they slowly weaken if not used. Now is the time to take action. In this guide, I will take you through the exact 3 exercises we suggested. No unnecessary talk, no confusion, just simple, clear instructions so you can practice safely at home. You will learn how to stand, where to place your hands, eyes, and feet, what sensations to notice, what to avoid, and most importantly, how to stay consistent. What makes these exercises unique is their simplicity. They are easy enough for any ability level, but still strong enough to activate unused stabilizer muscles and rewire your nervous system. Because good balance does not depend only on muscle, it relies on timing, response, posture, and body awareness. These movements help bring all of that back. We will begin with the most basic movement of all, one that mimics how your body naturally shifts weight every time you walk. Weight shifting is one of the body's most important actions, yet it is often one of the first to weaken with age. Here is how to restore it. Setup. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Stay close to a wall, counter, or sturdy chair for safety. Step by step, gently shift your weight to your right foot. Let your left foot stay on the ground but feel light. Hold this position for 3 to 5 seconds. Focus on the feeling in your right hip, knee, and ankle. Then return to center and shift to your left. Repeat this slow side-to-side movement, like a steady, controlled sway. Tips: keep your core lightly engaged. Do not hurry. Holding the position is where the benefit lies. Use your breath to stay steady. Inhale as you shift, exhale as you hold. Why it helps? This simple drill reawakens your body's position sensors, those tiny receptors in your feet and joints that tell your brain where you are. It also strengthens the small stabilizing muscles in your knees and hips. Practicing just 2 minutes a day will improve your balance while walking, stepping sideways, or responding quickly. Now we move to a slightly more advanced exercise, one that requires focus and control. This next move is common, but many people perform it incorrectly. The heel-to-toe walk trains your body to stay steady in a narrow stance. It activates key muscles from the feet up to the spine. Setup. Find a long hallway or open area with a wall nearby in case you need support. Step by step. Start with your right foot, placing it directly in front of your left so the heel touches the toe. Walk forward slowly, placing each foot right in front of the other. Look straight ahead, not down. Take 10 to 15 steps forward, stop, turn, and walk back. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Form notes. Let your arms hang loosely at your sides for natural balance. If you wobble, that is part of your body learning. If needed, lightly touch the wall for support. Why it helps? This movement builds dynamic balance, your ability to stay steady while moving. It also trains your eyes and inner ear to work with your feet, a part often missed in balance routines. If practiced daily, this will improve your walking form, connect your steps, and lower the risk of tripping. Now, let's check your static balance. Now we move to the most effective of the 3 exercises. The single leg stand is not just a balance test, it is a great way to train your whole body. It requires your core, hips, ankles, eyes, and reflexes to work as one unit. Here is how to do it safely. Setup. Stand close to a firm surface like a countertop or solid chair. Keep it nearby for safety, but only use it if needed. Step by step. Stand upright with both feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift one foot about 1 to 2 inches off the ground. Hold this for 10 to 30 seconds, depending on what feels right. Then, switch legs and repeat. Do this 2 times on each side. Progression tips. Start with both hands touching the wall. Later, try using just your fingertips. Eventually, you can attempt it with no support or with your eyes closed for 5 seconds. Why this helps? Balancing on one leg forces your brain to quickly adjust and respond. Your body makes hundreds of small corrections through your ankle, knee, hip, and spine. Over time, this sharpens your ability to catch yourself if you slip or lose balance. Important: do not focus on holding for longer, focus on holding with control. Quality is more important than time. These are not exercises. In the usual sense, they are training sessions for your brain and body to reconnect. Just 3 to 5 minutes per day can lead to lasting improvements. Before we end, let us go through some frequently asked questions we received from viewers, especially those who saw our last video and requested this follow-up. Q1. How often should I do these exercises? For most older adults, doing these once a day, 5 to 6 times a week, is ideal. Even just 5 minutes daily can lead to results. What matters most is regular practice. Make it a simple habit that fits into your daily life. Q2. Can I do all 3 exercises in one session? Yes, and we actually suggest that. They work best together. Start with the weight shift. It wakes up your stabilizers. Then move into the heel to toe walk. It builds control while moving. End with the single leg stand. It challenges your balance while staying still. The full set can be done in less than 10 minutes. Q3. What if I have bad knees or limited movement? You can adjust these exercises to suit your needs. Use support and reduce the range of motion. They are flexible and can be modified. In fact, we are working on a follow-up video that includes seated versions and low-impact options. So if you need something gentler, stay tuned. Q4. I tried the single leg stand and felt very unsteady. Is that normal? Absolutely. Feeling shaky is part of the process. That means your nervous system is re-engaging. It is not a problem, it is progress. Wobbling is how your brain learns what to do. Think of it like learning a new skill. Each session improves your balance and control. Now, here is the most important takeaway from this video. You are not helpless. Balance can be rebuilt. Strength can return. And you do not need a gym, pills, or fancy gear. Just a small space, a few minutes, a day, and a decision to keep showing up. If you made it this far, well done. By watching this video, you have already shown that your health matters to you and that you are ready to take steps for a better future. That is something worth acknowledging. Now, here's what you can expect next. We will release a full follow-along version of these exercises that you can play daily. There will also be a special Q&A session where we respond to your questions about leg pain, feeling dizzy, and how to improve posture. And coming soon is the video many of you have been asking for: balance exercises for couples, so you can practice with a partner or a friend. If you want to be sure you see all of this, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Also, if you know someone over 60 who could benefit from this, please share this video with them. Together, we are improving strength one small step at a time. Let us continue forward.